good evening European and good morning Australian fans who I believe there are amount with only single digit. Welcome to the night of the Sina Eyes, the grand final of Sphere August Bla 4. Live from the world-famous Sydney Opera House, the Commonwealth of Australia. My name is Taylor Swift, well you all already know me. Oh wait, where is Hayato? That fictional jerk, how can he dare to let me do the job alone?
Taylor, you bad blood bitch. I told you to wear a mask before coming to the stage, but excuse me, you forget that? Want to get sick and not be able to release albums? I'm just a guy with proper hygiene. Okay, let's introduce ourselves together again.
My name is Taylor Swift, well you all already know me.
And I'm Akiyama Hayato. We both will guide you the result for tonight.
Oh my lovely boy, what is that board you are holding now? Is there something in the other side? Oh my gosh. A big glass of tea you give me Hayato.
Well, this is the 4th edition and there is only one of all competing songs that is in cultural language Irish. Ireland, please.
Tea. I do hope Irish singers to release some songs in Irish though. Okay, give us some seconds to change our outfits and for me to wear a mask.
We are back guys. Taylor wears just a such boring typical black mask, while for me, a Luna mask. And you all know that Luna is a clear definition of perfection. Am I gonna remind you to stand Luna again for cleaner hygiene and skin?
Anyways, tonight 11 superb international juries will help us find the least floppy songs out of those 12 floppages.
The first one in our call is the best Timor queen and she is Jessica Maldboy. Greetings queen.
Good morning mates. This is me, the Grand Timorese Queen calling from Melbourne City. We, SBS Australia, has to thank RTE to invite us to host this amazing edition together. The Australian unprofessional juries decided to give their 12 points to Marie Digby and her song Diamond Eyes. See you mates and hope the best song wins.
Thank you Australia. Next we will move to European islands full of taste and they are Fro Islands. Could we have your 12 points please? Another great grand final as always, congratulations Ireland. It's always difficult to cast our votes. But here they are. And finally, our 12 points go to Diamond Eyes. Best of luck.
Now, we are going to have one of our favorites Last Edson Ekin to present the Turkish vote. Merhaba Ekin.
Greetings Ireland and Australia. This is the calling from the Eurasian country Turkey. Thank you for having taste and giving me points back then in Brussels. Anyway, the Turkish juries will give their top points to Celtic Realness, Lilac and Violet. Good luck in Belarus, Ireland.
Behind these violet eyes of
Next up is a call from the Caucasian nation Azerbaijan. Could you give us your 12 points, please Zara?
Good evening Ireland, oops, I mean Australia. First of all, thank you for such an amazing final. The graphics were stunning and amazing, while the songs were high quality as always. Our jury enjoyed listening to the finalists and it was a hard decision for us. We even feel bad for the song which got -5 points from us. But at last, we've decided that the best song of the 12, as well as getting our 12 points, will go to a song that literally screamed Gaelic rights in Tusk, which is Don Gu Ovan. Thank you again and that's all from us.
We are heading to Germany and with Seriously. We just asked him to present our vote at German selection and now, he is gonna present the German one at ours? Nice bird and greetings Michael.
I really feel like I'm being used here. First they fly me to Germany, now I'm in Sydney, what's next? Mars? Anyway, hello Ireland, I really don't know how you managed to make this selection. I was sure all the talent left with me to the US. Those Germans that kidnapped me for being here threatened me that I won't be getting home until I'm saying their 12 points are going to song number 5. Diamond Eyes. Hashtag help.
Following country is the legendary host country Belarus and a multicultural legend Lala. Could we have your result please?
Tratnonim. Dobrivai. Godkavul. Good evening. I am not sure it's evening in Australia as I am saying this, but, you know, I tried. It has always evening somewhere. Many of you may not know that I, Layla Porkaram, moved to Minsk with my family at the age of 1, and it was in this city that I learned to read, write and visited ballets and theaters for the first time, and that was my introduction to culture. Anyway. That's why I am here, in my living room in Los Angeles pretending to be in Minsk. I am actually quite glad I am in Los Angeles instead of Minsk right now. Anyway, lovely city sometimes. Recommended for future visits. Like next year, maybe. Hopefully. I just wanna say that this selection was totally DNScoth, which according to Google Translate means both awesome and wizard. Maybe Ireland snapped and we'll finally go to Dublin or Osaka or, you know, next time. If there is a next time. You've constantly delivered quality and you're very welcome to Belarus if you want to come. That said, our 12 points go to Olin with Duncatham Hain. Irish rights.
We now reach the halfway of the first voting part and we are going to take a break and read the masses topic from #SABDECT4.
Many Twitter users question us about this topic, including the legend and Belarusian President Indra from Sweden. And that topic is the lack of songs in Irish language in Irish national selection.
Yeah, we try to find some Irish language talents but in the end, we fail. Fun fact. Do you know that there are more people learning Irish in Duolingo app than the actual Irish native speakers? So that might be the reason why it's struggle for us.
By the way, Hayato, I'm also currently learning Irish in Duolingo too. I'm gonna introduce myself in Irish. Diaquit. Izalme? Slorn.
Hey Taylor. That's basically hello, I'm an apple pie. You know right?
Oh my god, you know Irish, Hayato?
Taylor, I'm a fictional character in case you forget. I can do whatever my author want to do so. Okay, I will teach you another word that my friend Sura teach me. And buoff to re.
And buoff to re?
And buoff to re.
And buoff to re? What does it mean?
It means are you ready? Okay you all, we will move to the other half of the first part with Engun calling from France. And buoff to re. Bonjour Engun.
Bonjour à tous. C'est nous, la République française qui vous téléphonons maintenant. Merci beaucoup de nous inviter à participer au jureur international, c'est tellement gentil. D'accord, notre jureur décidons d'attribuer notre 12 points à la chanson Cause. À bientôt en Biélorussie.
Oh wow. We will have another Irish foreign star in our show too. Good evening Greece and Lindsay Armo.
Hello everyone, it's Athens calling. Thank you Ireland for an amazing show. Before the 12 points, I want to congratulate your achievement in last edition. I was Team Meg Mac, We had tickets for Dublin too, but it finished third anyway. Congrats again. Now 12 points from Greek jury goes to Cold. Congratulations, goodbye.
Am I a fool for loving you? Am I a fool to believe in you?
Next up is the Central European country named the Czech Republic, and we are with our robbed winner and their national selection Never Saw. Greetings from Australia.
Hello Ireland, well I mean Australia. Thank you for having a taste by 12 me in both 2 editions. We all know that I was robbed hard. Okay, enough. Our Czech juries told me to give their 12 points to the Celtic real Miss Lyric. Thank you and see you in Belarus.
These violet eyes of fire.
We are going to travel to the beautiful Micronation who support us in both events last edition. And of course it can't be anyone else than Andorra the Greatest. Could you please give us your points?
Hola Irlanda. This is a call from Andorra La Vella the best. You snapped last edition and we hope you will not flop in the upcoming event, as you always be a floppy dupes. Anyways, 12 points from Andorra will go to the beauty of flowers called Lilac and Violet. See you in Belarusia, Irlanda.
Eyes of fire.
And we are now reaching the last international jury of the whole show since its formation 1.5 years ago. And she is one of the holy icon of the Origin Song Contest. Motherfucker bitch Agata from Poland. Hello bitches.
What's up motherfuckers, your boss bitch is at the job center because she's going to be unemployed when task closes. Anyway, if any of you leprechauns in Ireland want to give me a job, please send me an email at agata.jarma.jarmagov69-onlyfans.motherfucker@bossbitch I placed higher than you're on appelconan.com. The Ivory Coast really served this edition, just kidding, I might be a slut but at least I know my flags. I also know that there's a 50% off sale on at my OnlyFans, so go subscribe to it right now motherfuckers, so I don't have to get a job in McDonald's. Wait, should I actually have to deliver the points? And so, for the last time ever, the 12 points from Poland go to song number 13, Vards. Just kidding, I've finally learned that it doesn't participate in every national selection ever. The 12 points actually go to song number 12, Never Let Go. Thank you Ireland, for one last time, Agan out.
Never let go, never let go. Never let go, never let go.
Now, the first part is finished. There are 2 songs as the leaders, which is Beautiful Eyes and Lilac and Violet. Congratulations to the writers of both songs. Now, to express our thankfulness to our 10 European international juries who sacrifice their times to vote for this floppy show, we will show a short recap of the songs the Irish people tend to adore the most from each country.
This is according to the poll result held by RTE on the official website 2 weeks ago. Are you excited for this? Let's find out together.
Step by step by step, there's no step by step by step, there's no swallows up the colors, everything is the same shit. I am waiting. Sıkışmış gibi dışarı çıksam olmaz olsa, içime atsam olmaz olsa, şu an yoksam olmaz olmaz. Benim kimi, benim kimi,
keep saying this again and again. Big thanks to all amazing 10 delegations who waste their invaluable time to help us find the least flop page. Anyway, the time has come, and in less than 20 minutes, we will find out who will represent Ireland for the final time in the Origin Song Contest history. Best of luck to all participants. May the best song win.
Last place in this part with minus 18 points. Ugh, that's even more than last edition where 14 juries voted. And those points will be deducted. Song number 11. Addicted by Erica Cody. Overrated. Oops.
Next, 11th place will be deducted by 11 points from this part. And that unlucky song is song number 6. Out of Town by Eve Bell.
Tenth place with score of minus 8 points is going to be song number 1. Honey by Sorcha Richardson. That's how a comeback goes wrong, honey.
Next, the 9th place with minus 3 points from this part is going to be for song number 3, Wild by Catherine McGrath.
Eighth place who will face the amount of a positive 6 points is song number 8. Forever by Micah.
Followed by 7th points of this part. They will receive 19 points. And that song is song number 10. Don Guamhain by Sorlin. Hashtag Justice for Irish Gaelic Right.
Sixth place will gonna get only 1 more points. And that place is belong to song number 4. Cold by Lila Vargan.
Oh wait, who is calling us via Google Duo now? Let me accept the call. Oh, it's Elodie Gomsing. What's happened, girl?
We have found out that the result from French juries are wrong. Additionally, some result from other delegations too, so your head of delegation asked me to fix them. And this is how it should be. Congratulations to Catherine McGrath for getting our French 12 points. Okay, it's okay now, see you girls.
A mess. Ireland in the Origin Song Contest, and a mess is totally the same thing. Well, life goes on, so let's move to the rest of the result. Fifth place with 36 points is the current leader. Song number 9. Lilac and Violet by Miracle of Sounds featuring Carly Yee.
Fourth place with amazing 39 points is song number 7, Grow by Nick.
Moving to the top 3 of this part. Third place will get the same amount of points, and that song is song number 5, Diamond Eyes by Marie Digby.
Now 2 songs are left to receive their points. Second place of this part will gonna get a jump. 47 points. And that one is song number 12, Never Let Go by Wenyan.
Which means, Star Signs by Nigerian Irish Jen is the winner of the second voting part. But will she be able to shake the throne of American Irish Japanese Marie Digby? Remember that this edition is really close, unlike the last one though.
And Jen, you will be going to get the amount of and Jen, you will be going to get the amount of you will be going to get the amount of 60 points, which is not enough to take a lead. And we now have our last participant in the Origin Song Contest, and it's Marie Christina Digby from New York City. Now Marie, come to your stage at this time. Okay girl, what would you like to tell your supporters and viewers at home?
In the name of my love, thank you so much for giving me the permission to perform for this nation as the last entrant. After 6th place in last edition, at first, I was really afraid to accept the invitation to come back here. But I'm glad that I decided to reverse my thought at that time. I will try my best and give my all in Belarus. Garat Imedigat.
And this is the victorious speech of our 4th and last winner of Spirogus Black. Actually, next edition should have been held in some American cities, but look like the US will never have chance so.
Hayato and the Irish delegation team has to thank you, all amazing people who support us, Ireland, since the debut in the 1st edition, especially since the 3rd edition, after our current head of delegation Cass Matsuo Yukio take a place as a leader.
You guys, please give a big cheer and applause for our amazing OBU Council and Mr. Sean Cambridge Pelkonen for this truly magnificent contest.
Hayato, thank you for being with me, even it's just short 4 editions.
You too Taylor, thank you for joining us despite being busy. You are my truly icon, my dear.
You too, my sweetheart.
That's enough. Before we will say goodbye for the last and final time, it's victorious time for our last winner.
Marie Digby and her song Diamond Eyes.
Give it up for Maria and Sloranai.